Welcome. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to return a random value from a list or from a tuple. So imagine that we have a list of animals. So our list is known as animals, and it consists of animals such as a cow. We have a cow, we have a dog, we have a goat, we have a cat, and we also have a sheep. So if you want to return a random animal from the list of animals, then we would use the function known as choice, which we would import from the random module. So from a random, import choice. Then we would create another variable known as animal. Then we would use the choice function to generate a random animal from the list of animals. Then we can print the output. So print animal, and then simply run the program to generate a random animal from the list. So our first random animal is a goat. We get it here. We can run the program once again to generate another random animal, and this time around we have a cat as our random animal. We can still run the program once again to generate another random animal. This time we have a sheep, and the process continues until you get what you want from the list. So if we had a tuple, we would have the curly braces here. We would have the parentheses, that is, instead of the curly braces, and that would be a tuple. And the process would simply be the same. You would only run the program to get a random animal from the list of the animals. And now our random animal this time around is a cow. We will still run the program once again to generate a random animal. We now get a sheep. We can run the process, the program as many times as we want to get a random animal. And every time we run the program, we get a random animal. So that's how you generate a random animal from a list or from a tuple. So thank you for watching the video. Please remember to like it and to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.